ng Malolos. Miss Woodsense, on the other hand, is Reyna ng Baliwag.
To present the Mr. and Miss Woodsense Award is Mr. J.C. Mariano. Together with our Alia Atenina and Sikaman 2024 second runner-up, Mr. Nathaniel de la Cruz and Ms. Bianca Bautista.
Congratulations, Malolos and Baliwag. Our next award is the Catrion's Choice Award.
To present the Catrion's Choice Award winners are attorney Joseph M. Inocencio and CEO Gans D. Inocencio of Catrion's Aesthetics and Medical Group. Winners will receive a bouquet, such gift and gift certificate worth of 25,000 products and services.
The next award is the Photographer's Choice Award. Our Photographer's Choice Award winners are Hari ng San Rafael at Reyna ng Bocaue.
To present the award for our Photographer's Choice Award are Mr. Joseph Aliag and Hari Atrina ng Sikaman 2024 first runner-up, Mr. Jenna David Alvin and Ms. Chanel Ventura.
Photographer's Choice Award. And our next award is our Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Our Mr. and Miss Photogenic are Hari ng Malolos and Reyna ng Baliwag.
Awarding our Mr. and Miss Photogenic, our photographer Mr. Joseph Aniak, together with the Municipal Tourism Officer of Hagunoy, Mr. Nico Vensuceso, Municipal Tourism Officer of Bulacan, Mr. Azor Concepcion.
Sana pinatigil mo muna ako, pinatawag.
Congratulations to all our winners. In just a few moments, magsisimula na tayo sa tunay na laban